All right, so we are here at 2751 Pony Lane. And for starters, out here we have a super cute neighborhood, wonderful neighborhood. And there is a cul-de-sac at the end. And you can see it's a very cute, quaint, close to the golf course. You have mountain range from the front here. Looking at the house, you're going to see the side parking with a ton of side parking. I don't know, I guess 60 feet at least. You're going to have, and 10 plus feet wide, so you could practically put anything you want back there, and an RV garage if you wanted to. We just had the palm trees trimmed. Landscaper was here, got everything all cleaned up, and it's a tile roof. And here's the side of the house, so you can see. So you do have some side over here, so in case you wanted to store something over there, something little like a little sea-doo or something like that, it'll fit. This house does not, it can be fully furnished, but it doesn't come with the house. So if you have, if you want to purchase the furniture outside of escrow, that is available to you. But walking right in, we have a little coat closet, tile floors, and they have the blackout curtains so that you can watch TV and not worry about that. But here's the kitchen, granite countertops. Your dishwasher. So it has whirlpool. So everything matches, all the stainless steel appliances. And then in here, there is a automatic light in the pantry with a decent sized pantry. Let's go on over to the side of the house. So we have the laundry room here with a sink in the laundry room, which is nice. Again, this house is currently a VRBO, so there is it's ready to go, labeled, everything. Water softener, water heater out here, and the garage is fully completely done, so it doesn't have open rafters and all that stuff. So on over to this side. Getting the light to turn on to get higher. There we go. So in here there are French doors that come out to the patio. Walk out to your little private pool, oasis, ceiling fan, and then it has a walk-in closet here. So a nice size walk-in closet. Actually, I'll leave that open for now. There's a pocket door here, so you can shut this. But hello. There is a single sink here. Little toilet area. Skylight in here. And let me turn the lights on. So in here, there is a extra large walk-in shower, which is nice. So it's pretty nice size, actually. linen closet. I was looking for, there it is, the light for here. A little sitting area, which is great. Going on over to the other side of the house, we have a Bluetooth thermostat, so it is able to connect to your phone, so you can control it if you wanted to, you know, go into and turn off the AC unit, make sure that they're not, you know, keeping it at 60 degrees or whatever, what have you. So here is the guest bedroom. It's super cute. And each of the rooms have walk-in closets, so you can see this closet area is really nice. So they turned it into like a little kids playroom. Super cute. Here is the guest bathroom, and it is granite countertops in here, or I think so. Not 100% there. And then this one does have the actual door sliders here. It's all nice and clean and ready for its next guest. And in here there is some beautiful furniture. Love the look of this. The decor that she did was really cute. A walk-in closet again, so definitely really nice. Let's go out back. All right, walking out, she has lots of chairs and furniture and ready for, you know, for you to enjoy. But the best thing I think about the backyard is the pool. It is only 3.5 years, I think 3 years old. So that is a plus. So it's nearly new, and it does come with the heated and cooled. So it has a heater and a chiller. So this backyard is ready. It's ready to, you know, for you to enjoy. But it's a great little house. It's perfect for, you know, an Airbnb, or even you know, a little family would be perfect for this. So I love that it is heated and cooled. Looks like there is room for a spa over here if you choose to do so. So that is something. It has a pad there already, but I don't know what else they were going to use it for, but that to me looks like a spa pad. But perfect little area. A little barbecue. Again, all the furniture can stay. And then they have this done right, where they have the pool equipment is, you know, all covered away from the weather, and it has a heater and a chiller, and it's all pent air stuff. So looks great. So I do love the privacy slats that it has, so it's nice and private. Here's Jasmine. She's here, my lender. She's sitting with me at an open house. So I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to hopefully showing you this one in person. Talk to you soon. Bye.